Back to the channel, guys. You all are watching one more video from Cyclonic. So today we are here at this beautiful location to take a review of the bike, which is this. This is the most basic bike offered by Between as a brand. This is my own Between My Bike 2015 model, which is currently being sold as Rock Rider ST10 in the Indian market. You may have noticed till now that the color of this bike is grey, which originally comes as white. So I have changed the color of this bike. Otherwise, technically the bike is kept stock, but I have planned on a few modifications which you will be seeing ahead in a few videos. Let's have a walk around of this bike and then let's start with this review. So let's go.
Like a Hellcat.
So starting with the handlebar of this bike comes with a 63 cm integrated steel handlebar along with the stem, which gives a right position for the cyclist to ride. This bike comes equipped with a steel fork to absorb vibrations and give more rigidity. Between gives lifetime warranty on this fork. Many a times people have a complaint that their bikes do not stop during the rainy seasons because of the less friction. So Between provides caliper V brakes along with brake pads which are usable in both wet as well as dry conditions. As I told earlier, this is a basic bike from Between. So this bike comes equipped with a single speed drivetrain optimized for flat roads as well as slight gradients. Personally talking, I have also topped out at a speed of 42 km per hour on this bike. Now, coming at the saddle of this bike comes equipped with a sport ergonomic foam saddle along with a seat post of 25.4mm in diameter. Now, coming at the tires of this bike comes equipped with a 26 by 1.75 inch Ralston tires which are comfortable, followed by aluminium rims which are single walled on both the sides for added comfort during pedaling. Being a basic bike, this bike does not have gas, so it is a very durable and easy to maintain bike and it's very cost efficient. Now talking from the buyer point of view, why you should purchase this bike. First of all, it's very cost efficient, it's very durable. This bike comes rust proof from the rims and from the body. So it's very durable, I think. Personally talking, this is a very fun to ride bike. I had completed my first 100 kilometers from this bike itself and didn't feel any pain on that day because of this crank to freewheel ratio. I enjoyed riding the bike and didn't feel any pain even after coming home, and I was ready to go again for a ride. Now, since it has become a very old bike, so I have planned on a few modifications which will be made by a bike almost only one in India. So stay tuned for that series too. So here we have the comprehensive review of the Between My Bike or the new generation My Bike known as the Rock Rider ST10, which comes under a price range of 7,000 rupees and weighs around 7 kgs. Thank you and goodbye.